So, do you want the picture of despicable? Take a look at your fucking screen. Now, this woman has been arrested on 6 counts of murder after authorities found the bodies of 7 infants packed into separate cardboard boxes at a home in Utah, police says. Police arrested Megan Huntsman, 39, of Pleasant Grove on Saturday following a gruesome discovery at a residence formerly occupied by the woman who they said moved out in 2011. Officers responding to a phone call from a family member who is currently living at the Pleasant Grove residence arrived at the home to find the first baby, which appeared to be a full term, according to police. So this woman was having children. She had a total of 6 children, and then she murdered them and stuffed them into cardboard boxes. One, I would like to know, who are the dudes that got this bitch pregnant over and over? And why would you continue having children knowing that you don't want them? Or was this just some shit that you were having them just to kill them? She took 6 fucking lives. Now, if she was in Florida, she'd probably be able to get away with this shit. Honestly. Wow. Just despicable fucking humans, man.